Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, gather your necessary tools, including a socket set, a serpentine belt tool, and a new alternator. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process, saving you time and effort. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Begin by loosening the serpentine belt tensioner and carefully removing the drive belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all electrical connections, including the main power wire and any smaller sensor wires. Finally, unbolt the alternator mounting bolts, usually 2 or 3, and carefully remove the old unit from its position. With the old one out, it's time for the new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into place and secure its mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all electrical wires, ensuring they are snug and secure. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's correctly routed and has the proper tension for optimal performance. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Before hitting the road, start your engine and check the charging voltage with a multimeter. It should be around 5 to 14, 5 volts. This confirms your new alternator is working correctly. For other great deals and to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.